Mining Rig Rentals is a leading platform designed for cryptocurrency miners who want flexibility and scalability in their operations. This comprehensive review will guide you through the features and functionalities of the site, showcasing its user-friendly interface and diverse rental options. Upon landing on the platform, users are greeted by an intuitive dashboard that simplifies the process of renting and managing mining rigs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced miner, the site offers a straightforward layout that ensures you can easily navigate its features. The platform supports a wide range of mining algorithms, making it ideal for miners working on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other altcoins. Users can filter available rigs by algorithm, hash rate, and rental cost, ensuring they find the perfect fit for their mining needs. After creating an account, you can deposit funds into your wallet using various payment methods, including cryptocurrencies. Once your account is funded, you can select rigs based on your preferences. Each rig listing provides detailed specifications, including hash rate performance, power consumption, and location, so you know exactly what you're renting. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Mining Rig Rentals also emphasizes security and reliability. The platform employs stringent verification processes for rig owners to ensure the quality and authenticity of listings. Additionally, real-time monitoring and performance metrics allow renters to track their mining activities and earnings effectively. For those looking to maximize their mining potential, the site also features advanced tools such as profit calculators and performance analytics. These features help you estimate your potential returns and optimize your rental strategy. Another highlight of Mining Rig Rentals is its active community and customer support. Users can join forums, access FAQs, and get assistance from the support team to resolve issues or gain insights into effective mining practices. The platform is also continually updated, ensuring compatibility with the latest mining technologies and trends. Ready to take your mining game to the next level? Subscribe to this channel, like the video, and start your journey with Mining Rig Rentals today.